Hi, my name is Noah. I am the lead paint protection film installer here at Ceramic Pro Daytona. And if you're wondering what paint protection film can do for you or for your car, then look no further. It is basically like a giant screen protector or extra clear coat on top of your car would be the easiest way to explain it. It is about 10 mils thick. It can protect your car from rock chips, bug debris, hail damage, really just about anything that you could expect from the outside elements. It is the only known product that can save your car from a rock chip or really anything coming off of the road such as that.
Absolutely. And how is it made?
How is it made? It is actually a multi-layered thermoplastic urethane that is pieced together in a factory.
Yep. And then the adhesive basically allows you to stretch it, right, and install it on the car.
Yes.
And when you do, it's self-healing. So what does that self-healing look like? What does that actually do for people?
So the self-healing factor is actually included on that top layer of the ceramic coated part of the PPF. So it's basically saying if you're getting some minor tree scratches, if you're scratching it while you're washing your car or accidentally have some dirt or rocks in there, that'll self-heal out immediately with some heat or with the sun baking on top of it.
Awesome.